Okay, the first and important tool that you have to know is the move tool. If you want to deselect or cancel everything in software, you have to click on a move tool, or shortcut is V. If you select something, because of the auto select, it will select for you. You can select, click and drag and select everything. And as you can see, we have intersects with the object and they are selected because I changed, go to the settings. I changed them in, I think, tools. Yeah. Select object when intersect with the selection marquee. And I changed the use most wheel to zoom. But if you uncheck them, you have to just go all object and then release and select it. Okay. You can simply select, click and drag, and they are moved to each other. And then, as I said before, you can move them, rotate them, scale them with holding shift proportionally. And if you want to know, this is in the layer, I explain it later. If you want to know how much you change the angle, transform, you have to come here to the transform window. Again, if you don't see some of these windows, you have to go to the windows and active them. Here, transform. Okay. As you can see, it comes here, rotation. You can set any number of rotation base here. But, and as you can see, it changed the, if you work with this, it's rotate based on pivot of that. And as I said before, you can click here, enable transform origin from this. And you can see the origin here. Another way of changing the origin of the object is here. You can see this part, center, this part. If you click here and then come here and rotate, and as you can see, you can rotate based on that, rotate based on this, and then you can type any number, and you go to, if you want to reset it, type 0 and everything is reset. So if you want to move by number, exact number in a pixel based on, I think, this part of your page, you can move it as a pixel, width and height. Here you can change the width and height of this. For example, if you want to come and select exact number of the, so holding shift, you want to select exact number in the pixel, for example 100 pixel. At 100 pixel, you can type and change the size of your width and height of your object here, or you can link them. If you, for example, change any number here, it will be changed proportionally. So, and this is a shear. You can change the shear object here. So this is move tool, as you can see, and it has not other special tool. But if you select move tool and deselect everything, just we have document setup that I explained it before. You can change the document anytime that you want, and the main setting of the software that you can activate here. Another interesting option here, you can activate it. It's a scale override. You can open it. You can change the scale of line, shape, layer effect, and frame, and everything here based on a scaling object that I have to explain it later. And if you learn effects, I'll explain it later after that. Scale override. Because you need to have a stroke and learn everything and then come back to a scale override. You can better understand it there. And that's it. It's a move tool. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.